Let's start our natural gas, starting with our daily time frame. Top down analysis, daily time frame, 4 hour time frame, and 1 hour time frame. Daily time frame, starting with this our lows here. We can also see we're actually an uptrend move. If you have to zoom it out, full trend, a bullish movement upward. So currently we will be starting from this period here where I just highlighted, which I think about July 2022. So rally movement upward, natural gas actually going up, by the way. So we had a pullback around this area here. I will highlight it, and now we can see we are actually on an uptrend again. A impulse movement upward, a pullback, impulse movement upward, a pullback, impulse movement upward again. We've had a pullback. What are we expecting next is an impulse movement upward again. Yes, very much, because a lot of people were saying, oh, this is actually our resistance area where our price will start dropping. But I actually don't believe that, as we all can see the problem in Europe, where the natural gas is about scarce and the price is about going up and up. As long as we still have problem of natural gas in Europe, then very much likely the price of it will very much likely to go up and up and up. So till it is settled. So when you are to look at it from on the fundamental aspect of it, we very much see that the price will continue to rise up. On the technical aspect of it, as we are looking at it, we are very much likely to go up again on the technical aspect of it. But before we actually start to go up on the technical aspect of it, I want you all to notice something, is that there's every possibility our price can come down to tap this our lows, which is about 8.833. We're very much likely to see a drop to 8.833. Kind of giving us like a double bottom here before we actually see that rally movement upward. And very much likely once the next day we can see that rally movement upward, and we can also see that our price can very much likely to drop to give us that double bottom before we see that rally movement upward. So watch out for it anytime soon, probably 25th, 26th, we will actually start getting that movement upward on our natural gas. So daily time frame, we are still expecting a huge movement upward on our natural gas. We are still on an uptrend movement, so we should actually still continue to look to go uptrend. Now on our 4 hour time frame, I'll start it, by the way. We can see this pullback here, this huge movement upward. We can see that our price came to test this area again, this key level. We are very much likely to go a little bit of a bullish move, bounce to this our area, this our lows where we once predicted on our daily time frame. We're very much likely to see a double bottom of it. So this will be the key area, which is about 8.833. Then our continuous rally movement upward. So watch out for it anytime soon. See 4 hour time frame, we would want to see a rally movement up on our natural gas. So natural gas uptrend, 4 hour and daily time frame.